of Muhammad. We show that Jesus did not kill anybody. Did Muhammad kill somebody?
Yeah.
How many people? Out of Quraysh of Jewish family did Muhammad kill?
Why are you yelling? So Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam killed lots of people, etc., etc. Sounds so old. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's age was 63 when he passed away, and when he was 40, he told people that he is the prophet. And after that, the pagans of Makkah were oppressing him for 13 years. And forget about killing, he did not even curse them. Then he migrated to Madinah al-Munawwara because the pagans were planning to kill him. After 2 years of migration, the verses about fighting in self-defense revealed. So fighting in self-defense was the order of the God. As you can see in the chapter number 9, verse number 13, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, would you not fight a people who broke their oaths and determined to expel the messenger? And they had begun the attack upon you first. We all fight in self-defense. So it's only 8 years of fighting in the 63 years of life. And it was in self-defense. Let's see what Bible has to say about killing people. Old Testament, 1 Samuel in chapter 15, verse number 18. And the Lord sent you on a mission and told you, go and completely destroy the sinners, the Amalekites, until they are all dead. It's your book. Take my free advice. Those whose own houses are made of glasses, do not throw stones at others.